What is up and welcome to another video. I am Chill Trader and today join me guys as we navigate into the crypto market. Today is Friday and we are approaching the weekend, December 22. Happy holidays guys. We are approaching the holiday season and new year, and of course we have very important event like the Bitcoin halving and the spot ETF. So those are the events that we are anticipating. So if you are ready, let's dive right in. All my fellas, 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 all my fellas. All my fellas, welcome to another video guys. So Bitcoin today is trading at 43,000, still trying to break that resistance level at 44,500, and Ethereum is back to $2,300. Congratulations to those who were able to hold on to their trade guys. So right now we are up, our trade is up for Ethereum. Ordi is also up, BNB is at number 4, and today Solana managed to flip BNB guys from the number 4 spot, but that was just a quick flippening. So let's see if Solana will be able to flip BNB in the coming weeks and months, and even Ethereum guys. Do you think it's possible that Solana could flip Ethereum? So that is like a long way to go, because currently Solana is just trading, or the current market cap of Solana is at 40 billion dollars. So Ethereum is at around 300 billion guys, and Bitcoin is far away at 800 billion dollars. In the previous bull market, Bitcoin managed to reach the 1 trillion market cap guys last 2021. So today we are going to talk about a lot of things. I have prepared several charts and of course chart requests on the previous video comments. And of course, right now Bitcoin is having a hard time breaking this zone resistance level guys, and we are seeing a lot of sell pressure at around this area, 44,500. This was the specific area that I have discussed on my previous video. And if Bitcoin will consolidate long enough in this zone, guys, it is possible that this could turn into a Bart Simpson pattern and eventually drop back to this level, which is around $41,700, and this is in confluence with the breaker block and with the support trend line. So keep an eye on this level guys. All right, so that's for Bitcoin. And this news came out today. Solana flipped BNB at number 4 spot. So is there a chance that Solana can flip Ethereum in the future? So according to this article, Solana can, the question now is whether Solana can catch up to Ethereum, the second largest blockchain network. While Ethereum still dominates in the DeFi, NFTs, and smart contracts space, Solana is continuing to acquire a growing share of industry. So in my own opinion, that is still a long way to go, guys. Solana right now is just around 40 billion market cap, while Ethereum is around $300 billion market cap. And another good news, bullish news about this spot ETF. So spot crypto ETF applications will be considered in Hong Kong, according to the regulatory body. The statement from SFC and HKMA comes as expectation. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is on the verge of approving a spot Bitcoin ETF. So again, I'm going to repeat this daily until we see that approval of spot Bitcoin ETF, guys. So I think spot Bitcoin ETF is driving this whole narrative right now in the market, and the market is driven by all of this bullish news from spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. And I think ETF or spot ETF narrative is already priced in, guys, to the current price of Bitcoin and majority of the altcoins. And I think there is going to be a sell the news event. So keep an eye on the possible approval that will be expected on the first week to second week of January next year. And of course, I'm going to share with you today my portfolio, guys. This was my portfolio this cycle, 2021 to 2025. So if you are new to this channel, if you are new into our community, guys, I can create a new portfolio here. Right now, these are all major caps, blue chips, crypto that I have accumulated from the past bear market. So if you are following me on Twitter, I bought Bitcoin at around $16,000. I've bought XRP, $1,500 worth of XRP at around 0.38. The video is on my TikTok, and I have shared it as well on my Twitter account or X account. Ethereum, my average price is at 1,250. Polkadot, these entry price is also shared in our Discord community, guys. So Polkadot was at 3.8, Cardano is at 0.24, and Litecoin is at $52. So I'm gonna hold these coins until the next bull market, which is expected at 2025. So as explained yesterday, Ethereum's chart on the weekly time frame, we are done with the retest. The second candle here, second weekly candle was the retest of support, and right now we are seeing Ethereum bounce from this level, same resistance level that we need to keep an eye on, 2,357. But again, I'm expecting Ethereum to reach 2,500 in the coming weeks, guys. So keep an eye on this chart. And here are the buy zones for long term, by the way, that I'm talking about. So this was shared in our Discord community, guys. Discord community, my crypto shopping list 2022. So this was shared March 15, 2022, when we are approaching the bear market. Hi to Samuel Goncalves joining us today. Let's go! All right, so long time no see. Hope you're all good. I'm doing great, and I hope you're doing good as well. So Bitcoin average price was buy zone 16,000, Ethereum 1,000 and below, BNB 200 and below, Polkadot 4.5 and below, AVAX $8 and below, Solana $11 and below, ADA 0.35 and below. So these are just the blue chips, and I've shared some of the micro caps, and of course I'm gonna share crypto gems in the future. Emmanuel is joining us today. All my fellas. 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 Smash up the like button, guys, and of course, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell if you are enjoying this kind of content. And if you want to elevate your trading game, and majority are asking what indicator I am using in most of my charts here. Of course, I'm using only Chart Prime, Market Oracle Pro from Chart Prime, Market Dynamics Pro from Chart Prime, and of course, our very special Prime Oscillator Pro from Chart Prime. You can see this will help you find confluences in most of your trade, guys. So this chart prime oscillator pro, all of these indicators comes in one bundle using chart prime. So if you want to take advantage of this risk-free 7 days risk-free, head on to chart prime or check out the link in the description down below. Next one is BNB cup in handle pattern. Let's smash the like button. That's correct, guys. Smash the like, destroy that like button, and of course click that notification bell so that you will be alerted every time I go on a live stream. So for BNB, I'm still expecting $300. We are seeing a breakout here. And right now, this daily candle is on the process of retesting the previous breakout zone as a support. First resistance, I'm looking at 282. But overall, we don't have much trade on this area. I'm still expecting $300 for BNB in the coming weeks. Although we have bearish divergence here in the oscillator, we are still pointing upwards towards the overbought area. So we still have some gas left to push the price even higher. Let's check the volume very quickly. So volume is still coming in, guys. Let's check. Solana inches closer to $100, overtakes BNB in market cap ranking. So this was posted or shared, one of the headlines today in Bean Crypto. So Solana overtakes BNB today, guys, quickly. Manprit as well. Hey, chill, can you check DYDX? All right, let's check DYDX later on after all of these charts that I have prepared. So for Solana, again, major resistance for Solana remains at 141, guys, which was the previous pivot point here. So market is still bullish again. The trend is your friend until it ends. So shorting the market right now is super high risk because the trend is still in an overall uptrend. So we are seeing a small drop, guys, but overall we are going up here. And right now, Solana is about to break this resistance. I'm expecting actually a small retest of support at around 61.8. So if you are going to measure this swing high here and swing low for Solana, the current price right now at $94 is on the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So I'm expecting a small rejection or resistance at around this level and a possible retest of $80 area. So let's see if Solana will break this resistance, or are we going to see a retest of support at around 50%? That will give us $75 to $80 area. Next one is we have ETC. Again, keep an eye on Ethereum Classic, guys. If Ethereum will hit 2,500, it is likely that Ethereum Classic would break out from this consolidation zone. This is a huge zone, which is around 40%. But right now, Ethereum Classic is about to break this, guys. Look at this. This is the weekly time frame, and this is going to be a very important level that you need to keep an eye on. Weekly candle close above 22 or $23. That will be our signal for a further move to the upside. We don't have in the past, we don't have any candle closing above that level. So that will be our confirmation for Ethereum Classic. $23 will signal a further move to the upside with a possible target of $42, guys. $42. Keep an eye on ETC and Ethereum, guys. So Ethereum, next resistance, 2357. Next chart is someone requested for Colt, by the way, and someone messaged me previously on my Telegram account and explained what Colt is. So he sent me the white paper and explained about Colt DAO. So I FOMO'd into the trade, and I bought some cold, maybe at around this level here. I cannot, but it's up right now, guys. It's up by almost 50%, 50% from my buy zone. Yeah, I'm up 50% from where I previously bought my cold. So I think somewhere on this range, guys. And I have bought like a small amount, and I'm going to hold it. Let's see what will happen in the future, because if you are going to check Colt Dow, again, this is not a promotion, guys. This is not a promotion. Someone requested on my previous video about Colt Dow, so I'm just sharing with you the chart here and the possible target maybe in the future. So right now, if you are going to zoom out, Colt Dow, Colt is just hovering, possible bottom, guys, possible bottom here. So usually this is the kind of chart that we are looking to accumulate for long term. So a pump, consolidation for a very long time, and then we might expect if Colt Dow will bounce from this level and maybe hit this 97 area, this previous high here, that will give us, and the current market cap is less than 13 million, guys. This is very, very low cap altcoin, and it's super high risk because the volume is actually very, very low. The liquidity, the volume, the market cap is still very, very low, and this is right now consolidating on the bottom here. So let's try to check how many percent are we going to make if Colt Dow will just bounce from this level and touch this previous local top here at around March 2023. All right, so that will be around 0.11 area. So let's try to check how many percent is that from the chart here. So I think this will be the level here. So that will give us, from the current level, that will give us 300%, guys. 300%. And we have a huge order block, $90 billion worth of order blocks at around this area here. So that will give us 600%. So I don't mind putting small amount on this altcoins. And if you watch my, if you are in our Telegram group today, guys, if you are in our Discord community, the Bitget launchpad of Ton Up or Up USDT pair have finally launched today, listed in Bitget, and we have made 700 to 800%. But initially, it had pumped to $1.5, which gives us 1,720%. I wasn't able to take profit on this area. I was able to take profit at around 800%, guys. But that's good enough. I have put in small amount, so I have turned my $250 into 8x. So that made me 8x from my initial $250. So putting small amount will give you 8x. So I think we can make more money in this kind of launchpad in the future, guys. Again, not a financial advice. All charts and CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. So again, I have explained this previously. Majority are saying that crypto is a Ponzi scheme. So if this is a Ponzi scheme, how do you make money in Ponzi? So basically, by getting in early into this project. So the first type that you can get in early is by joining this launchpad. So I have shared this event or launchpad or on how you can participate into this Bitget Launchpad event, guys. So I've shared this previously here. This was the commitment, minimum commitment, 50 BGB. Total supply will be 1.5 billion or million, right? And individual cap will be 7,500 up, which is around $750. And the price will be 1 up is equal to 0.1 USDT, which is the bottom price here. 0.1, this was our entry point for the launchpad price. So this was the launchpad price or the distribution price of the token. So if you have participated in this launchpad, you could have made 8x by now. All right, so that was for up, guys. So next is actually ETC is still pumping and about to break out, guys. This is about to break out from the consolidation zone. If you have any chart requests, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try to check it out before we end the stream. So my Bitcoin trade, I'm still holding my short position here for Bitcoin. And if this will consolidate again for a long time on this area, this could possibly form a Bart-Simpson pattern here and eventually drop back to previous support, which is around $42,000 up to $41,000. We have this 200 exponential moving average acting as a support, guys, at around 42,900. For now, Bitcoin is just moving on a sideways channel. Again, this is a short-term trade because right now, Bitcoin is seeing some sell pressure at around 44,500 area. And let's just try to trade. I'm just trying to trade the smaller time frame. But overall, market sentiment is still very bullish, guys. So I think that's it. That was for Colt DAO. So you can compare this to Shiba Inu, guys. Shiba Inu initially had pumped. So look at this. Let me just zoom it in so you can see the price comparison. So Shiba Inu initially had pumped and then drop, consolidate for a long period of time here, and then again another pump here. So this kind of chart, these are the type of chart that we are looking at if you want to accumulate for long term and if you want to speculate, guys, if you want to speculate. So Shiba Inu again is on this consolidation zone for a very long time. So it is still likely and it is still possible that this could pump and revisit this area here. 0.00027 area. That is still possible. So you can still make some money on these altcoins, but there will be new altcoins in the coming bull market. And we can make a lot of money on that by speculating, putting small amount like what happened to Bonk. Bonk have made several millionaires. And of course, the Cog Inu yesterday that we have talked about, someone invested $450 and made $2 million from Cog Inu. So there will be a lot of altcoins, meme coins, shit coins that will come out in the future, guys, especially in the bull market. Most of this are just going to pump and dump. There will be a lot of meme coins, shit coins in the future that is going to come out. So we are going to make a lot of money, I think, in my own opinion, by joining launchpads and initial offerings. So we are going to hunt those gems in the future. And if you are ready, guys, join me daily and we are going to create a new portfolio here. So this was my current portfolio. I have already made $20,000 on this portfolio. Here are my average prices here. So we can make a new portfolio from 2024 up to 2025. And let's see how much are we going to make until the peak of the next bull market. All right, so I think that's it for today. We have covered most of our charts. One chart request, by the way, from Manpreet Baidwan, DYDX. Let's check this one out before we end the stream, guys.
All my fellas.
Don't forget to smash that like button.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, so here's our chart for DYDX. We have actually hit the final target already for this trade. So let's try to find a new one. So right now, possible double top here. This already have hit our final target for DYDX from our initial entry point here. So we have made 9% on this trade. So what will be the possible trade setup for DYDX? Let's check first the higher time frame, weekly time frame. All right, so on the weekly time frame, we have a support here, and I think we have this. You can consider this as a. You have a lot of noise actually here, but these are huge percentage, guys, huge percentage. And that is why, again, I'm considering trading altcoins as super high risk. Most of the time, I'm trading Bitcoin, Ethereum. Majority are blue chips because they doesn't move like the micro caps, which will see a lot of candle wicks. So for this one, this looks like a rising wedge pattern. But this will be our confirmation here. Once we see a weekly candle closing above the resistance trend line, will be our confirmation for a further move to the upside. For now, we have this level here as our resistance. This was a previous pivot point here, March 2022. So this will serve as a resistance for DYDX on the weekly time frame, and this remains as our resistance trend line, guys. This area right here. Let's check the risk to reward ratio, because there's a huge candle wick here, huge candle wick. So possibly it's actually really high risk to trade because of this wicks on the weekly candle. Let's try to check. Let's go back to the weekly time frame. Let's try to check the oscillator. So oscillator rejected from the overbought area and still looking bearish on the weekly time frame. Let's try to check the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we have a small bullish divergence on the oscillator. So it is likely that we might see a retest of this area right here on top. And we have a huge order block, guys, at around this level. This is in confluence with the weekly pivot point. This is also the pivot point on the daily time frame last May 2022. So major resistance remains at this level, guys, for DYDX. So we have 248 million DYDX waiting on this area. Sell pressure, limit orders are waiting here from 3.9 up to 4.37. So keep an eye on this level. For now, we are looking at a possible bull flag. This could be a bull flag, actually. So this could be a bull flag in the lower time frames. I check the breakout target. So breakout target, that will bring us at around 4.4 area. So oscillator is still looking bullish on the daily time frame. Let's try to check. So let's just try to limit this one. This will be our short. So just keep an eye on this level. So for now, this is still looking bullish on the daily time frame, and this is about to break out, guys. About to break out. Risk to reward ratio, possibly spot trade, possible spot trade for short term. So almost 50-50 at the current level. So I would say no trade zone at the current level, or wait for a possible breakout confirmation. So for now, the price is about to break out, but still inside this resistance trend line and a possible bull flag on the daily time frame. So let's try to check here. Maybe we can limit the risk. So we have bearish divergence in the 4-hour time frame. So possible retest of this area. So we'll just limit here. So we have now a trade here forming on the lower time frame. So this could be our short-term retest area. Retest area, high risk. And stop loss, that will give us 9%. So we'll just put it here below all the candle wicks. So stop loss around this area. This will be our entry zone here because we have this bearish divergence. And we have this bearish order block, guys. 22 million DYDX is on that level. So we might see a retest of this area here. Possible price action. For DYDX. So first TP will be this area here. This will be our TP1 or just TP zones. TP2 will be on this area. 3 on this area here. These are all the resistances along the way. So that will be my trade setup for DYDX. From R3A. Hey, hello. Look at Gary token chat. It's exploding. Chart. All right, so I think that's it for today, guys. I'm sorry for R3A. You are late today, and that's it. That's it, guys. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me. Again, don't forget to smash that like button and click that notification bell. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and if you enjoy this kind of content. And trade safely. Have a great weekend. Protect your assets at all times. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.